Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the GKU D600 dash cam. This is a 4K dash cam. I'm going to be doing a full unboxing and then we're going to put it in the vehicle and test it out. We're only going to be testing the video quality of the front camera because, to be honest, the back cameras look about the same on all of them. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get into the unboxing here. The D600 from GKU. Here we have the main camera device. And let's see what we're looking at here. So we have a little screen there. Our pivot point is right here, so you do have some adjustability in terms of the angle up and down, but no side to side angle. Go ahead and take this off so I don't forget. I have done that before. Our power button over here, and no other buttons. So this is definitely a very simplistic dash cam. We've got a 64 gigabyte card right there that does protrude out of the device, so that's nice, very easy to remove. I don't have fingernails, so normally I have to get like a knife to push on that. USB-C to charge, tiny screen, but that's probably nice, doesn't distract you. Let's see what else we have in here. We have our rear camera, which will plug into this via the little aux-looking cord slot right there. Then we have a cigarette lighter to USB-C connector, that's pretty standard. A pry bar, a couple extra stickies if you need to mount it more than once. That's always nice to see. Some clips to hang your wires off the ceiling as you run it to the rear camera, and then one more sticky right there. So pretty nice. Let's get into the video test, guys.